Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to attempt to repair this mosquito repellent device, or how you call it, that doesn't seem to be heating up anymore. We have on light on it, but no heat coming, so not evaporating anything obviously. So let's get to it. Well, I can see the first problem. This thing doesn't have any type of screw in there, as I initially thought. It's just melted plastic, so I need to drill it out in all four corners and see if I can take this apart, but honestly not looking good. And it's opened up, as you can see. Chances of putting it back together really slim, considering how thin these posts are, but I would have found a way to put it back together. But anyway, sadly there is nothing that I can do with this, because let me try and get everything out of here. It's a simple heating element, one piece only, and the only other thing is this is it a neon? I think it's a neon, not sure how they are called. Little bulb. I'm going to hold on to this directly with this resistor that makes it work at 220 volts. I really like them, but yeah, I will try to open this up further just to show you what's inside, but for sure this thing burned up. So it's a bit sad, because this unit was extremely good. I bought a replacement which is crap. Let me explain you. This unit, as you can see, has this triangle here and then a raised bit in the middle. So it would evaporate from this thing, and if something would condense back onto this edge, it would fall there and stay in that groove until it gets heated up enough so it evaporates again. This would not get covered in this toxic stuff. The new one doesn't have that. It all gets covered. It starts dripping. It heats up way too much, to a point that I'm afraid to leave it on for too long. Yeah, anyway. But honestly, it's another brand, so, or at least another name for the same brand. I do not know. I don't want to get into that. Anyway, let's see if I can open this up further. Sorry guys, it's impossible to open up this thing. I'm expecting it to be actually ultrasonically welded in here. From the marks that we see here all around, probably a tool comes in, this is held in place, and tiny vibrations. Ultrasonic vibrations, obviously. I don't think it's friction welded with bigger movements. That doesn't make sense, but ultrasonically welded for sure, so this will not come apart no matter what I do. But I expect in here to be just how is it called? Not a resistor, or is it actually a resistor? Yeah, in my native language I don't think there's really a difference between these two. Maybe in English it's better to call it a heating element. I'm not sure if it's in this shape or it's like this, a spiral that goes all around, but anyway, that's what we should have in there, and recycle what we can from this thing, because it's unfixable, sadly. And I'm going to show you the new variant now, just to see how bad it was designed. Yeah, so this is it. It has the same feature that I really liked on this one, that you could actually rotate this 90 degrees to work with either orientation of socket. In my country you can find both orientations. And look at this, I'm already covered. You see it down there? There's a lot of it everywhere here. So this is somehow a dual purpose. It works with this thing and also with the rectangle flat stuff. In my language they are called pills. I don't know what's the proper term. You can see it here because it heated up too much. There are marks in there right in the middle of the screen, because again it heated up that flat stuff too much. Look at this. dripping all over. So nice design, crap design. So I need to search for a better one, because this is honestly way too big, unusable. It doesn't have a light on it, and it actually even hits this. This was on at this point, and these are hot. So the heat goes even into this area. Doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, that's about that for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, and as always, ask whatever you want in the comments. Check out my other videos, and see you in the next one. Bye.